Ortur4 3D printer has an all-metal one-piece structure which sets it apart from the standard aluminum extrusion frame 3D printers. And it uses linear guide rails for all XYZ axes, which makes it a faster and more reliable printer. The Ortur4 can print up to 2 to 3 times faster than standard Cartesian FDM 3D printers. The tolerance of linear guide rails is as low as 0.05 millimeters, which allows for the more accurate 3D prints. Print head components connect to a pin board, making it easy to maintain or change the spare parts. Thermistor and heating element are securely screwed in, which ensures safety and reliability for many prints. Large cooling fan for control board for a more dependable and reliable printer. Wiring harness for hotbed eliminates the potential risk of current overload or short circuit. Cable carrier chain for superior cable management to protect wires from accidental damage. 24-volt power supply for better heating and motor performance. Built-in fuse to prevent current overload gives comfort when using the printer. Ortur4 adopts the Marlin 2.0 firmware, making it open source and GPL compliant. The Ortur4 uses an inductive sensor for auto bed leveling, and the Z offset can be used to fine-tune closeness to the print bed. Even a warped bed can be easily printed on. In the event of rapid temperature change, thermal runaway protection will stop heating and printing. The filament runout sensor detects when the end of the filament spool is reached. It pauses the print, retracts remaining filament, and waits for a reload and resume. In the event of power interruption, the Ortur4 will save print data and resume the print when power restored. This is the Ortur4 3D printer.